So my topic is going to be about vegans. Where can you find a vegan? Honestly, they live about anywhere in the world. Some countries have more people who are vegan than others. It kind of just depends on the access to food and lifestyle choices. If they can afford to be picky or not. What is a vegan? So a vegan just refers to anything that does not contain animal products. That includes food or everyday products, nothing with gelatin, no honey, no whey or casein, no eggs, no fish, no leather, no fur, feathers. Also nothing tested on animals. Veganism is just the practice of abstaining from the use of animal products and an associate that rejects the commodity status of animals. And like I said before, they live all around the world, such as like America, Canada, Sweden, Australia, the United Kingdom. So basically, a vegan person who chooses to be vegan doesn't exploit animals. They view all species the same and equal to one another. For example, Americans, we really value our pets, especially like our dogs and our cats. And so a vegan views like a cow and a pig and a chicken the same as most people will view their pets. So they treat them equally. They wouldn't exploit one species over the other because their species are different. They're all sentient beings to a vegan, and so they want to treat them equally and not eat them. And then here's a funny link I have. If anyone has seen Ace Ventura: When Nature Calls, he was an animal lover, or is an animal lover in the movie. And this is when he walks into the hunter's room with all his animal heads on them. And he freaks out. Made him very uncomfortable. So what do vegans eat? Honestly, they can eat just about anything in 2020. They don't just eat tofu anymore. They have vegan cauliflower wings, vegan sushi rolls that doesn't contain fish or fish sauce, vegan burgers, vegan pizza. There's vegan marshmallows it's a brand called Dandies, and instead of gelatin, it uses tapioca starch. You got vegan lattes made out of alternative milk, vegan chocolate that most chocolate is actually vegan, like the darker chocolates. It's the milk chocolates that usually aren't. French fries, Oreos are actually vegan, not on purpose. The skinny Oreos have skim milk, but the regular and the double stuffed Oreos are vegan. There's many vegan ice creams nowadays made out of the different alternative milks. You got vegan curry. You can make just about anything pretty much vegan. So besides food, there's everyday products people wear and use. They have vegan leather nowadays that's made out of like mushrooms and other stuff. Even if maybe something isn't made with animal products, it's tested on animals. So there's different vegan toothbrushes or toothpaste that aren't tested on animals. Same with makeup and beauty products. A lot of them, if it says cruelty-free, it's just not tested on animals. And then if it says it's vegan, it's not made with any animal products. So veganism versus religion or belief system. So a lot of veganism will get compared to a religion. It's not a religion, but it is kind of like a belief system. They have different beliefs on how animals should be treated by humans, and it goes against many cultures. People mainly run into problems socially when it comes to like food and hunting, if that's something like a family likes to do, fishing, stuff like that. But the biggest thing is food. So veganized rituals, for Thanksgiving, you can get a tofurkey. You can make vegan mashed potatoes and gravy, vegan pumpkin pie. Christmas, there's a vegan ham out there. You can make veganized cookies, veganized birthday cake, veganized ice cream. There's honestly an endless supply of, veganized recipes. So you can fit in as a vegan to potlucks and parties and whatnot. So, does anyone know someone who is vegan? Most people will view or think a vegan looks like this, but really you have vegan athletes, vegan bodybuilders, famous vegans like the Joker, Greta, Ariana Grande, Billy. You'd be surprised.